Hey everyone, Crashly here. I have an unboxing for you. I'm not too sure how long it's gonna be, but it is a very highly anticipated one for myself. So I'm just gonna show you what it is first, and you're gonna be like, oh my god, Crashly, oh my god. I've heard it. It's okay. Here it comes. So what this is a miniature dollhouse kit. See, that's what it says right there. I'm just kidding, I don't know what that says. It says miniature dollhouse kit for Crashly. I don't know what that says. Okay, so quick backstory. Have you guys ever been on Amazon and you find yourself just scrolling and then you get in what we call the Amazon black hole? Yeah, so that was me one night when I couldn't sleep. And I saw miniature dollhouse kits and I was like, oh my god, how cute is that? So they have, this is from Amazon. It's Amazon Prime. This particular kit is one of the more expensive ones. This one was $56.99. They do have smaller ones, like one rooms. Like I had about 10 of these in my cart for like 2 weeks straight because I couldn't decide. So Kerwin found this one. I was like, Kerwin, help me pick between the ones. Then he found this one. I was like, oh my gosh. Zoom you in a little bit. So yeah, this one was $56.99, but they do have like one room dollhouse kits. But every little aspect of this dollhouse here is, you have to assemble it. Every little aspect. So yes, it does seem like a lot. Am I crazy? Probably. Are any of you surprised? I'm not. So yeah, I did the whole go big or go home thing with this. Instead of the one room, I got this giant thing. But I am incredibly excited. So I'm just gonna flip over the box here. So there's another view of it. See, every little thing in here you have to assemble. And I'll insert some pictures of like the description on Amazon because I don't know, it's hard to tell just by the box here. But it is so beautiful. And again, this is a craft that I've been wanting to try for a long time. When I was researching it, there's a bunch of Facebook groups out there. And as most of you know, I'm really into polymer clay. So how cool would it be if I can make little furniture pieces for dollhouse kits? I don't know. It's just one of those things that I want to try. So I'm going to open this up here. And this is probably going to be like a year-long project for me because holy smokes, it's huge. Okay. So I'm just going to open her up here. And the box that it came in here was pretty... It wasn't put together very well, but I think if any pieces, this box was inside another box. So if anything fell out, it would be in the other one. So I'm not too super concerned. So we're going to open this up together here. I haven't seen one of these fully opened, so I'm kind of interested to see. So this looks like, these are cutouts probably. So like it looks like walls. See, that's what I mean. Every little thing has to be assembled. Yeah, these are like, oh wait, this is a parts sheet, I think. Yeah, we'll have to look at the instructions. There's those. There's this dealy bop. Don't know what that is. Okay, here's the instructions. So this is kind of what I was really curious about, how good the instructions would be. So let's just open this up here. Oh look, there's some good pictures. So all of this has to be assembled. This is like the inside of the house, it looks like. Probably have it open backwards. Here we go. Okay, so it says what you need: self-prepared tools, fabrication skills. We're gonna be doing some sewing. You gotta build the walls. Oh my gosh. What did I get myself into? Okay, so this says the different materials. So I really am interested in the instructions. Okay, here we go. Okay, so this tells you how to make, it looks like, oh, this is still just the inventory, I guess. Okay. See, I've never seen one of these opened in person. Okay, look, so there's a plant on a bench. So this is what you have to follow to put together the bench. And there's even a tiny little tea kettle. Look, it's a dish drying rack. Oh my gosh. There's a desk. Oh my gosh. You have to make the bed. Oh gosh, you have to like sew together the mattress and stuff. This is going to be so much fun. I know you all are like, oh my god, that's crazy. So here's how you put together the bed frame. So the instructions look pretty detailed. I'm super glad that they came on my level and put in pictures. That's very helpful. Oh, this thingy is for the walls or something. I gotcha. And I'm pretty sure this one comes with a music box too. Look at this. Oh my gosh, are you guys excited? I'm so excited. Nora's probably going to totally demolish this. So the only thing I'm kind of concerned about is where to store it as I'm working on it, you know? Here's some more pictures. That is awesome. But look how beautiful it is. Look at it. Oh my gosh. Okay, so let's get into some of these. So all of these parts are labeled as you saw in that inventory sheet. Let me back you up here real quick. Okay. So this is probably the base. Okay. Probably some walls. Look at that. This is the drywall of the house. Some more square ones. Oh, look. So that's like how big it's gonna be. This is so cool. Okay. I'm gonna put all these pieces right here. Okay, now we have, oh look, so it's labeled the bag, so that'll be easy to follow the instructions. So this looks like different fabric and sewing materials. Oh my gosh. I kind of think I'm crazy now too. This is, yeah, this one's labeled. This looks like all the little things to make the plants with. Those are the little lights on the outside. Different things for like the bed frames and stuff, I'm sure. Little fences. Oh my gosh, look how tiny these little pieces are. Oh my gosh. Dude, this is a toilet. It's a little toilet! Ah! Oh my god. I want to open them up to show you all, but then again, I'm absolutely terrified of opening it up. Oh my gosh! It's so tiny. Oh, this is the little music box. I wonder if it's supposed to be... Oh yeah, those are screws. I was like, I don't really like that sound. Oh my gosh. So this is going to be a really big endeavor for me. This might be one of the most challenging crafts I have ever done. Oh, look, you got some stuffing too. Like, ever. So I know it did so that we need some kind of glue, I believe. Oh yeah, here's the little rocks for the fountain and the moss. Oh my gosh. I am just hoping my brain comprehension can handle the instructions, because whew, this is going to be one heck of a project. So I'm not going to do any of it in this video here, just, you know, for time's sakes. But believe me, I will be doing this in many, many videos. I will. I'm trying to see if it needs... Oh, please prepare tools such as utility knife, ruler, scissors, whatever an owl is, AWL. You have to buy batteries, and then I was trying to see where it said, because I know you need some kind of glue. Oh, look. So it says white latex glue. So I think you can just use pretty much any glue, man. Like, it'll be all right. This is A package materials. B package materials. G package materials. So this must be where the actual instructions. Oh no, this is still in the D package materials. So this is where it starts. So it starts by having you make a coffee table. Oh my gosh. You guys, what did I get myself into? Oh look, you gotta wrap the sushi in fabric. You get little watermelon slices. Oh my god. It's just, oh, wowza. You gotta make the flour. I don't know, this is, yeah, like I said, gonna be one of the hardest crafts I've ever done. Only because it's gonna take lots of patience, but just like with diamond painting, can you imagine the sense of fulfillment after completing something like this? I'm so pumped. I really am. This is something I've been dying to try, and I did it responsibly. I didn't just go ahead and buy one. I picked and chose. Pick and chose? Whatever. Which one I wanted. It is going to be hard, but I'm ready. I'll be doing this probably in between diamond paintings and projects. Like I said, I will totally keep you guys updated. I will have this particular dollhouse linked in the description below, just so in case you guys want to try it out with me. I would love it. Also, please let me know if you've done one of these miniature kits and if you have any tips or tricks for me, because again, this is the first time I've done anything like this. But oh, gosh, I am so excited. It's been a long time coming, and I think that this one is absolutely gorgeous. I'm glad I waited to choose, you know, the one that I loved. So this is definitely it. So yep, let me know if you've done it before, if you have any beginner's tricks, and yeah, I'll keep you all posted on my progress. I'm just really excited. I really, really, really am. All right, everyone, until next time, I will see you in the next video. Bye!